Hey friends! Looking for the most reliable way to keep your vehicle's battery charged and healthy all year long in 2026? In this video, we're taking a look at the best RV battery chargers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the MotoPower Automatic Battery Charger. This sophisticated all-in-one charging unit serves as a comprehensive management system for your 12V lead-acid batteries, whether they are flooded, sealed, or AGM types. What truly sets this model apart is its advanced automatic desulfation technology, which identifies and dissolves harmful sulfate crystals using precision pulse currents to restore your battery's original efficiency. This process effectively breathes new life into aging cells without requiring any technical intervention from the user. Safety is a top-tier priority here, as evidenced by its ETL listing and built-in protections against short-circuiting and reverse polarity. Furthermore, the intelligent 24-hour timer manages the transition to maintenance mode with extreme accuracy, preventing the risk of gassing or overcharging. This makes it a perfect hands-off solution for seasonal vehicles, ensuring they are always ready to start when you are, while simultaneously maximizing the lifespan of your expensive battery equipment through continuous optimization. Next up, our second product, the Sooner Power Waterproof Solar Battery Charger. If you are looking for an eco-friendly power solution, this 12V solar panel system utilizes cutting-edge ultra-smart MPPT technology to achieve an incredible 99% tracking efficiency. This high-level engineering allows it to outperform traditional solar chargers by boosting energy utilization by nearly 30%, making it far more effective in low-light conditions. The unit features an upgraded 3-stage charging cycle, bulk, absorption, and float, that ensures your battery remains topped off without the risk of degradation. It is fully automatic and maintenance-free, restarting itself whenever sunlight is available and stopping precisely when the battery is full. Designed to withstand the elements, its waterproof and spark-proof construction makes it ideal for rugged outdoor use on RVs, boats, or tractors. Whether you are maintaining a deep-cycle battery or a standard LiFePO4 unit, this solar charger provides a reliable, high-tech way to keep your power reserves full without ever needing to plug into a wall outlet. Coming in at number 3, the Lesterton Trickle Battery Charger. Trusted by over 500,000 users worldwide, this 2-in-1 charger and maintainer is one of the most versatile tools you can add to your garage. It is compatible with a massive range of 12V batteries, including lead-acid, AGM, and modern LiFePO4 units equipped with a battery management system. The device excels at low-voltage repair, capable of reviving weak batteries that have dropped as low as 4V, which is a lifesaver for neglected equipment. Its 8-foot total cable length provides excellent reach, while the detachable ring and alligator connectors offer flexible setup options for motorcycles, scooters, or large RVs. A built-in thermal sensor acts as the brain of the operation, adjusting the charge voltage based on the surrounding temperature to ensure perfect charging in both freezing winters and scorching summers. With a dust-resistant design and a solid 3-year warranty, it offers a level of long-term security and convenience that few other chargers in this price bracket can match. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Yonhan Battery Charger. This high-performance 20A powerhouse is specifically designed for those who don't want to wait around, offering significantly faster charging speeds than standard 6A or 10A alternatives. It is a true 3-in-1 solution that handles 12V and 24V systems with ease, supporting everything from lawn mowers to heavy-duty trucks and marine batteries. The pulse repair mode is a standout feature, utilizing high-efficiency cycles to restore old, idle, or damaged batteries to their peak functional state. Monitoring your progress is effortless thanks to the oversized, high-definition LCD screen that provides real-time data on voltage and charging status. The smart winter holiday trickle function is particularly impressive, as it automatically senses cold temperatures and compensates to prevent winter-related battery failure. Built with a robust cooling system and multiple layers of electronic protection, this charger is a rugged and dependable choice for anyone needing a heavy-duty maintenance tool that can survive the demands of a busy workshop or a life on the road. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the NOCO Smart Battery Charger. The Genius1 represents the pinnacle of compact engineering, managed to be 35% smaller than previous generations while actually delivering 35% more charging power. This all-in-one tool is capable of charging 6V and 12V batteries, covering everything from lead-acid to lithium-ion with surgical precision. One of its most legendary features is the force mode, which allows you to take control and manually charge batteries that have dropped all the way to 0 volts, a feat most smart chargers simply cannot achieve. It uses integrated thermal sensors to monitor the environment, ensuring that your battery is never overstressed in the heat or undercharged in the cold. Beyond just filling a battery, it acts as a restoration specialist, using pulse technology to reverse stratification and sulfation. Small enough to fit in your pocket but powerful enough for a boat or RV, the Genius1 is a versatile, high-tech solution backed by a 3-year warranty for total peace of mind. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.